Tuesday the 9th. It's about 1:30. I'm starting this vlog kind of late in the day. Had to go pick up the older, newer Doosan from the nuke plant, and I didn't want to have the GoPro or anything on, so I just figured I'd start it now. I'm in the haul truck. I'm about to get into the Granite, which is the newer dump truck. Took the older, newer Doosan to the high school here to redo some ditch liner that kind of surrounds the tennis court. Now I'm about to go get in the dump truck to go get ditch liner to then be able to put, for them to scoop out to be able to put around there. My back is absolutely killing me right now, but just making through the day as best I can. Figured, what the hell, might as well not sit at home, just try and keep working, but I'm hurting. I need to take some more pain pills. But I sat at the outside the gate in the new plant for the longest time. So I'm tired, I'm sore. Allergies are bugging me as usual because I live in Arkansas now. I'm not used to any of this stuff. But yeah, go hop in the Granite and then go haul some rock. So loud. That's why I brought this one. This has got more of a demo bed in it. But man, putting in 12-inch rock in the back of this truck, it's like, Jesus. It makes so much noise. See, look, he's weighing it. That's how much they know to put in it. Ditch liner. Alright, now I'm loaded. Gonna go head over to the high school and go drop it. This is the new truck, so it's quite a bit nicer than the old red one. It looks like they're blasting up on the hill too. Whole bunch of shell in that though. Oh, my back hurts. Guys notice I don't listen to the radio. Never been that way. Sometimes I'll put an earbud in and listen to Pandora or something like that, but drive truck for as many years as I did back before satellite radio, and it's just the same couple of songs over and over and over again. I think these guys are Blackstone, so they're gonna pull in here. And you just flat out get tired of listening to the radio. Just gets old. Oh, this is an automatic, by the way. Don't care for automatics too much, but the truck's comfortable, so I can't complain. It's got an armrest though, which the other truck doesn't, and that's real helpful, especially when your back's sore. So it's kind of a luxury being in this truck, even if it's only going to be for a load or two. They're gonna have to scoop the rock out of this truck. I don't know how that's gonna work yet. I thought about backing up to this curb where this rock's going and then popping the tailgate and having him like shovel some out, and then me moving over to a different spot and then shoveling some more out. But we'll just have to see how all that's gonna end up working out.
Are you going to be on my YouTube channel today?
What?
You're going to be on my YouTube channel today?
On what?
My YouTube channel.
Who?
I have a YouTube channel. Huh? Yeah.
Advertisement?
No, just, I do a daily vlog. You want me to move the bucket around? I have a daily vlog I do.
Good looking, rich, and the nymphos, come look me up.
Aren't you married?
Yeah. That just gets me off her back though.
Huh?
That just gets me off her back.
Huh?
Someone else's money to spend.
Yeah.
Did you gripe about that?
Huh?
Did you gripe about that?
No.
I wasn't either.
And who knows how long this thing's been since it's been greased.
Over a while.
At least you grease it. A lot of operators we have don't.
Do what?
A lot of operators we used to have wouldn't grease it.
I
like run and jump. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I'm gonna be running it, I want it to be running good. You have the grease fittings?
No.
I don't either. I got one that doesn't take grease up there.
Yeah, there should be 4 in here that doesn't take grease, but maybe they got knocked loose by now. There's one on the boom, like the second to last one on the boom. Wouldn't take it at all. I thought that one of the pins didn't take it.
Well, just the pin on this thumb right here.
Mm-hmm.
I need to lower the thumbs. So you do that if you want, but it wouldn't take it.
God damn it! My bolt just fell out. The bolt on. Now I'll help him grease this real quick. Yeah, he's got it locked on. That little thing cam's over. See, I thought all excavators could do this. Need a wrench now. Yeah. All you're doing is getting the rocks higher so you can pick it out. So what's Tony doing here? He's just trying to get the big rocks out so the Doosan that's over there can pick them and put them in the truck. So he just needs it higher up because the Doosan can't reach down this far because he has to stay up on top of the asphalt up there. It's a good way to do it. Well, it's 4:58. Went over and hauled that ditch liner over to that school project. Did a little work on the excavator. Tony flipped around the bucket on the Mini. Try and scoop some of that up. God, my allergies are bad. And then tried to call the boss to see if he wanted to preload that truck, and didn't hear from him for 45 minutes. Still hasn't called me back. Just said the hell with it. Now I'm sitting at Ashley's work and we're gonna decide what we're gonna do for dinner. Relatively easy day, but started out in the low boy and sat at the plant forever to get through security. Then just jumped in a dump truck, hauled a load of rock, work on 2 excavators for a little while. Now I'm here, waiting for her to get off work. Figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Not too bad. Tomorrow's supposed to rain in the morning. And then we'll see if I'm gonna go to Joplin or if I'm just gonna help the guys with that project. See how it goes. Alright guys, she's walking out right now. See you guys tomorrow.